This Japanese sauce is my mystery for redesigning chicken noodle soup. This recipe for teriyaki chicken noodle soup is a simple, natural method for spicing up an exemplary chicken noodle soup. Marinate and burn delicious chicken thighs, then, at that point, reuse that tasty teriyaki-style sauce to develop a rich, generous stock. I love every one of the surfaces in this soup: white udon noodles and fresh delicate bok choy delightfully balance the rich teriyaki flavors. What's the significance here? The importance of teriyaki alludes to a Japanese strategy for cooking that joins barbecuing yaki with cooked teri, signifying sparkle. Generally, teriyaki requires barbecuing a protein like fish with a coating of soy sauce, rice wine vinegar and sugar. This recipe integrates new ginger and garlic into a fast chicken marinade. By holding the marinade and thickening it with slashed spring onions, we're ready to develop a tasty, fragrant soup base. A way to cook bok choy. While adding the bok choy, attempt to lower the stalks in the stock floated by chicken pieces, and let the green parts float on a superficial level. The greens will steam marginally while the stalks bubble for an equitably bubbled surface. Recipe varieties. Practically any mix of vegetables functions admirably with this recipe. Notwithstanding mushrooms and carrots, attempt radishes, red cabbage, chine peppers, or other mushroom assortments. Utilize bone-in chicken thighs for added flavor and delicacy. Eliminate the chicken from the bone at stage 5 while destroying the chicken into scaled down pieces. Fixings: 1 cup lower sodium soy sauce, 1/4 cup light earthy colored sugar, 1/4 cup mirin, 1 tablespoon ground new ginger from 1 5-inch piece, 2 teaspoons ground garlic from 4 medium cloves, 1.5 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 1 ounce bundles moment udon noodles, 4 medium scallions, 3 tablespoons grapeseed oil, separated, 6 cups low sodium chicken stock, 3 packs child bok choy, isolated into individual leaves, 1 cup cut child bella or crimini mushrooms. Technique: 1. Marinate thicken. Mix together the soy sauce, sugar, mirin, ginger, and garlic in a huge bowl. Add the chicken and throw to cover. Cover firmly with cling wrap and spot in the cooler for somewhere around 20 minutes or as long as 60 minutes. Past that, the high centralization of soy sauce can influence the surface of the chicken. 2. While the chicken marinates, cook the noodles. Set up the noodles as indicated by bundle headings. 3. Cleave the scallions. Cleave the scallions, isolating the white and light green parts from the dull green parts. Put away. 4. Brown the marinated eliminated chicken from the cooler. Set a colander or huge sifter over a bowl and channel, permitting the overabundance to dribble off. Save 1/4 cup marinade. Dispose of outstanding marinade. Heat 2 tablespoons of the oil in an enormous nonstick skillet over medium-high. Add the chicken and cook until brilliant brown on the 2 sides and a thermometer embedded into the chicken.